Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and finally the day has come. If you look at the economic calendar, you'll get the answer. Today we have CPI coming up. CPI is a big event for the market, and we can see the market was mostly waiting for CPI for the last couple of days, and before a major event, okay, market prefers to stay silent because market expects a direction after a fundamental news, fundamental factor. So market was slow, market was range bound, and hopefully we will also get a direction after CPI. So to know the exact timing, just go to the economic calendar, change the time zone here, and you'll see in my country, in India, the CPI or the news will come at 7 p.m. So please be careful. Traders, do not gamble with your capital and hard-earned money. We are traders, not gamblers. Don't get too excited. Okay, and if you're a new trader, observe the market to gain some experience, but do not gamble. Okay. Look at the news, you can see gold edges higher as dollar slips ahead of US inflation data. Gold prices edge higher on Thursday, supported by a softer dollar ahead of a consumer inflation report due later in the day. That could shed some light on the US Federal Reserve's interest rate trajectory. And there is not much assumption in the market right now. Market is mostly waiting for direction. Okay, and if you can see stocks right ahead of US inflation data, so market is mostly in waiting mode. And if you look at a chart of DXY or US dollar index, you can see the same. We can see that mostly market is not giving us any clear moves, no proper direction. So after CPI, if the market is very volatile, try to follow the trend of the market instead of reversals. And if DXY drops, then 100.60, the previous low, will be the support for the market. I'm not saying that this will be a trend reversal level, but at least buyers around the area will try to hold the market for some time. And as we have already discussed in our previous videos also, that if DXY really wants to change the direction, if DXY really wants to go for a trend reversal, it will have to cross 104.50. Then only the structure of the market will change. Because if you look at the overall chart here, yes, there is a recovery going on the chart of DXY, but still we do not have the structural change in the market. To have the structural change, we need DXY above 104.50. So let's see how the market reacts after CPI. My dear friends, before I proceed with the chart of gold, I would like to request for help again. The scammer is back again. After we took down a previous profile, I saw yesterday that he has come up with a new profile. Maybe he has many profiles because all the pictures of me and my wife were uploaded in just 2 days. So once we took down a previous profile, he uploaded everything and he is right now showing that this is the real profile. And the funny part is that, okay, he has also spread messages like my real profile is a fake one, and he's trying to scam people, trying to loot money for signals and other services. So my dear friends, please follow the real profile. Please report the scamster so that we can save innocent people. Please report this profile and save the innocent people. You can see the link of the real profile and the scammer on the screen, on the description box, as well as in the comment section. So please report the scammer and please save people. Okay, now let's talk about gold. So today we have CPI, so we have two possibilities after CPI. Okay, the first possibility is that market will be showing big moves. Okay, if you see big candles, the color doesn't matter. Okay, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, and if you do not see big moves, okay, no big moves, okay, no big moves, then the situation will be completely different. As we all know, whenever the fundamentals or news dominate the market, it is better and wiser to follow the trend of the market. Okay, so if you see big red candles, big green candles, try to follow the trend. Clear. But if you do not see big moves, then I think that market will not be able to cross 2050 on the upside and 2000 on the downside, and market may stay within the range only. As I've already mentioned day before yesterday also, that I have a buy limit at 2001 and I have a sell limit at 2050. And though we have news coming up, Though I do not prefer to trade at a time of news, but still, I will keep my buy limit and sell limit in these levels because I think that market will not be showing crazy moves, and if market shows also, market should stay within this range only. I'm placing buy and sell limit. That doesn't mean that you also need to do that. Do not gamble. Okay. And the strongest resistance on the chart of gold, as I have already discussed, is at 2080. 2080 is the strongest resistance, or the strongest sellers are present around 2080, 2075 area. But I don't think so. Market will be heading towards 2080 because to head towards 2080, market will have to cross 2050 first. Okay, let's see how the market reacts. So, what are the levels then? So, first of all, my dear friends, level of 2017, the previous bounce level, okay, still working as support here. I won't say 2017 precisely, but around 2017, 2018, 19, we have a support. So before news, if you see market going down and if market breaks 2015, then there will be a fall in the market. Market will be heading towards 2000 level. So this support is very, very important because if market breaks the support, we do not have any major immediate level and we can expect a big selling pressure on the market. And technically the next support on the chart of gold is around 1980, 1975. Before news, I don't think so market have this strength and necessary to head towards 1980 to 1975. So before CPI, if market breaks also 2015 level, 2000 level will come for rescue. And at one point, we may see the market going below 2000 level to 1998, 1997, but I'm expecting the 2000 level will be able to hold the market at least before the news. Market should give us a bounce around 2000 level where we can go for a buy, and at least the bounce should be of 50 pips. Means market should give us a candle till 2005 level. So does it sound too technical? Okay, so after CPI, there may be a very big moves in the market. So if that happens, you need to follow the trend of the market. But if market doesn't show big moves, then you can expect the market to stay within the range of 2000 on the downside and 2050 on the upside. Okay. But as we all know that nobody can predict the news, nobody can predict the market's movement after the news. So as a result, let's wait and watch. Okay, but before CPI, in case market breaks 2015 level, because this has been acting as a support for the market. So if market breaks 2015 level, we can look for a sell position below 2015, but market should not break 2000 level. Okay. And if market goes below also 2000 level around 1997, 1998, still we can expect a bounce and we can go for a buy at 2000 level. Okay, so if market takes support around 1997 to 2000 level, we can go for a buy for 50 to 60 pips. Technically, the best support is around 1980, 1975, 74 level. It's a big level. Okay, this one. This is a big support on the chart of gold, but I don't think so. Before CPI, market will be heading towards this level. And to head towards this level, market will have to cross 2000 level first, and for that, huge volume is required. So therefore, CPI's movement will be very, very important because to break 2000 level, which is a psychological level, we need market needs huge number of volume, and right now market doesn't have that. So forget about 1980 before CPI. Okay, let's just keep your eyes around this particular portion of the market. Okay. And if you're looking for a reliable sell position, then 2050 around 2050 2051 is the best selling opportunity on the market because we have a similar psychological resistance, the contract standing around 2050 level. The best resistance on the chart of gold is still at 2080 20646, the levels that we have been discussing for last 3-4 days, but I don't think so market will be heading this towards this level. So let's keep our eyes also on these levels. In case market shows extreme volatility, extreme upside after news also, I don't think so after news, gold will be able to cross 2080 at any cost. This is a big statement, but yes, I believe that market will not be able to cross 2080 after news also. So the levels that we discussed right now are the reliable trading opportunities. like buying at 2000 level, taking a sell below 2015, taking a sell at 2050, 206, 6165, 2080. But the problem is that the levels are far away from the current market price. Okay, you can clearly see on the chart that the levels that I have marked are far away from the current market price. So as a result, we can switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes here. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see the market is um, looks like a sideways market here. So in that case, you can also look for some buy support around 2020. During the day, if market takes support around 2020 and bounces, you can look for a quick buying position for 30-40 pips. But is this a very reliable trading opportunity? Obviously no. The reliable trading opportunities are the ones that I mentioned just few seconds ago. That is, sell below 2015 if the selling pressure is high, buying at 2000 level, selling at 2050 are the ones. But the opportunities are not equal every day. Sometimes we get opportunities, sometimes we don't. So it depends on the market. See, we are traders. That doesn't mean that you need to be on a trade all the time. Okay, traders only trade when the opportunity is right. Never forget that we don't need to prove to anyone. Okay, by taking higher number of trades. Okay, this is not a sprint; it's a marathon. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And be careful at the time of news, and hopefully we will get a direction in the market after CPI. Okay, and do not gamble. And please report the scammer. Thank you so much.